Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we will show you how to get full screen on Android phone so you can enjoy a more immersive and seamless experience. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your phone by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and tapping the gear icon. This is where you control all your device's features. Step 2. Tap on Additional Settings, usually found near the bottom of the settings menu. Then scroll down and select Full Screen Display to access display options. Step 3. Choose the gesture-based navigation option. This lets you use swipe gestures to go back, return to the home screen, and switch between apps. Step 4. Customize gesture sensitivity and the back gesture area within this menu. Adjusting these settings helps make navigation smoother and more comfortable. Step 5. To customize full screen mode for specific apps, press and hold the app icon. Tap the eye icon to go to App Info and preview how it looks in full screen mode. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.